7 edible flowers you can grow in your garden for the perfect garnish. Barrage, with its cucumber-flavored blue flowers, attracts pollinators like bees and hoverflies. Plant near tomatoes or peppers to boost pollination and enjoy edible blooms for salads and drinks. Dianthus, including carnations and sweet william, have spicy scented petals perfect for decorating cakes and cheese boards. These non-invasive blooms attract small butterflies and solitary bees, adding flavor and charm to gardens and desserts. Cornflowers, with bright blue petals and a sweet clove flavor, self-seed modestly and bloom through summer. They attract bees and ladybugs, and their petals add striking color to grain bowls and cocktails. Garden roses, native to temperate northern hemisphere regions, offer fragrant petals ideal for syrups, desserts, and teas. Their nectar-rich blooms attract butterflies and honeybees, adding charm and flavor to salads and gardens alike. Chive blossoms, appearing in late spring as lavender pink pom-poms, add mild onion flavor to dishes and repel aphids near crops like lettuce. They attract bees and hoverflies, supporting beneficial insects while providing tasty garnishes. Lavender, native to the Mediterranean, produces fragrant purple flowers that add a sweet floral note to sugar, ice creams, and cocktails. Non-invasive in sunny, well-drained spots, its blooms attract honeybees and mason bees, enhancing both gardens and treats. Squash blossoms, native to the Americas, have a delicate, sweet flavor and are prolific but non-invasive. Bees pollinate the large blooms, and harvesting flowers for cooking won't reduce future fruit production.